Have you ever wondered how a glass bottle is made? Well, it's a tale as old as civilization itself. Glass, a product of both art and science, has been around for over 4,000 years, with the earliest examples found in ancient Egypt. This versatile material has played a crucial role in human advancement, from the humble window pane to the lens of a telescope. But what's the secret behind this transparent marvel? The answer lies beneath our feet. Sand, or more specifically, silica. Silica is the main ingredient in glass production, and it's abundant in nature. It's fascinating to think that the sandy beaches we walk on could one day become a delicate champagne flute or a sturdy beer bottle. The properties of silica are what make it ideal for glass production. When heated to high temperatures, it transforms into a liquid state, allowing it to be molded into any shape. So, the journey of a glass bottle starts with a handful of sand. Intriguing, isn't it? So how does this sand transform into a glass bottle? Well, let me tell you, it's a fiery process. You see, this simple sand, when mixed with a few other ingredients like soda ash and limestone, undergoes a miraculous transformation. They're all tossed into a furnace, a real sweltering beast that reaches temperatures of over 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, at these blistering temperatures, the sand melts, melding with the soda ash and limestone to form a glowing, molten mass. This molten glass, with its fiery glow and liquid consistency, is a sight to behold. It's in this state that the glass starts to take on its new identity, shedding its granular past and embracing its molten present. The molten glass, now ready to be shaped and molded, has properties unlike anything else. It's a unique blend of fluidity and rigidity, all while retaining the heat of its fiery birth. From grainy sand to a glowing molten mass, the transformation is truly fascinating. Now that we have our molten glass, how does it take the shape of a bottle, you may ask? Well, hold on to your curiosity, because we're about to dive into the fascinating process of shaping the glass. This is where our trusty mold comes into play. This mold, an unsung hero of the glass-making process, is what gives our molten glass its form. The gaffer, or the glass blower, takes a gob of molten glass and skillfully places it into the mold. With a deep breath and a steady hand, they blow into the pipe, causing the molten glass to expand and take the shape of the mold. It's like watching a balloon inflate, only more mesmerizing. Once the shape is formed, the glass undergoes a cooling process. This process solidifies the shape and hardens the glass, making it sturdy and ready for use. It's amazing how a shapeless blob of molten glass can be skillfully transformed into a bottle, isn't it? So we have a glass bottle. What's next? Well, we're not quite done yet. After the glass bottle has been shaped, it's time for the finishing touches. This is where the annealing process comes in. This process is vital for ensuring the durability of the bottle. The bottle is slowly cooled in a part of the furnace known as the layer, which helps remove any stresses that may have been created during the shaping process. The bottle isn't ready for use just yet. Quality control is next, and it's just as important as any other stage. Each bottle is meticulously inspected for any imperfections. A tiny crack, a bubble, or inconsistency in thickness could make the bottle less safe to use. Only the bottles that pass these rigorous inspections are deemed ready for use. They are then packed and stored, ready to be filled with your favorite drinks or products. And just like that, a perfect glass bottle is ready for use. From a handful of sand to a useful glass bottle, it's been quite a journey, hasn't it? Let's take a moment to appreciate this marvelous transformation. The process begins with the birth of glass, where sand, limestone, and soda ash dance together in a fiery furnace, melding into a molten mixture. As temperatures soar, this blend morphs into a hot, glowing substance that's ready for the next stage. In the melting pot, the molten glass is carefully conditioned, removing any impurities and ensuring a smooth consistency. It's a delicate dance that requires precision and control. Next, the shaping of the glass takes place. The molten mixture is cut into gobs, then blown and pressed into the desired bottle shape. It's a mesmerizing sight where artistry meets industry. Finally, the finishing touches are applied. The newly formed bottle is cooled, inspected for flaws, and polished to perfection. So the next time you hold a glass bottle, remember the incredible journey it has taken to get to your hands.